Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on PowerPoint. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on PowerPoint, you will click on Settings. In the first, you can go to Apps and you will enter to PowerPoint. Then you can click on First Stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Microsoft PowerPoint. If you'll find the update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.